online social science classes, and I am here, your social science teacher Sangeeta Behra.
Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our online classes with chapter number 1, the story of village Palampur of the subject economics for the class 9th. So 9th students, are you ready with your books and copies? You should write down the main purpose of this chapter also, okay? So what is the main purpose of this chapter? This main purpose of this chapter is to know about the production activities of the hypothetical village named Palampur, which is taken by the author in this chapter, okay? So what he wants us to learn from this chapter? He wants us to learn about the production activities which is going on in the village Palampur. What is the main activities? Most of the villages are having farming, right? So here also the author is telling about farming only. Means in this village, how the villagers are doing their main activities, and along with those activities, what main things they are used to do. The main activities in this village is farming, right? So after knowing the main activities of the Palampur village, which is farming, we should also know what more several activities are being done by the villagers in the village Palampur, okay? In that village, what they used to do? They used to do small scale manufacturing also, the dairy products also, and they used to do the transport activities also in the villages for maintaining their livelihood, okay? मतलब कृषि करने के साथ साथ वहाँ के लोग क्या क्या करते थे? स्मॉल स्केल मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करते थे, मतलब स्मॉल स्केल में इंडस्ट्रीज बनाते थे. जैसे सपोज कीजिए उन्होंने कॉटन की खेती बाड़ी की, तो कॉटन से वो लोग धागा निकालते थे और उससे भी वो लोग अपने कुछ बिजनेसेस करते थे, ठीक है. उसको छोड़ के डेयरी यानी कि दूध का बिजनेस, तो गाय बछड़े जिनके पास थे वो लोग खेती बाड़ी को छोड़ के दूध का भी बिजनेस किया करते थे, ठीक है. उसको छोड़ के वो लोग क्या करते थे? ट्रांसपोर्ट एक्टिविटीज़ भी करते थे, मतलब एक जगह से दूसरे जगह सामानों का आदान प्रदान भी किया करते थे, ठीक है. इस तरह से द मेन एक्टिविटीज़ which is farming in the village Palampur. Rather than that, they used to do the manufacturing activities, the transport activities and the dairy activities also, okay. तो उसके लिए उनको क्या क्या ज़रूरत होता था? Mostly when we are used to do the production activities, what we used to need to make it more successful? First thing, we will use the natural resources, then we will use the man-made items, we use the human effort, and also we need money for doing those production activities, okay. So now we should know how the production activities are going to the market in Palampur village, okay. So Palampur village is well connected with neighboring villages such as Raiganj, the big village which is 3 kilometers far from Palampur. Likewise, the big village Raiganj, one small town, is also well connected with the village Palampur, where the villagers used to supply their agriculture products and used to supply their manufacturing products also. In those areas, what they used to take for the transportations are bullock carts, tongas, bogies, and for other commodities also they used the motorcycles, jeeps, tractors and trucks. So here we will get the clear view of transportation activities done by the villagers of village Palampur, okay. And the transportation activities happened in the village Palampur. We are also wants to know, or we should have the knowledge of population strength of that particular village Palampur which is doing this production and transportation activities, okay. So have a look on that. There are nearly 450 families which belongs to several different castes in the village Palampur. The 80 upper caste families are having their own majority of lands in that particular village. Okay, their houses are made up of quite large and made of bricks with cement plastering. Whereas the SC or the lower caste people who belongs to the Dalit caste are having the 1/3 of the population in that village, and they used to stay in one corner of that village, and they are having small houses of mud and straw. Okay, so after getting the knowledge of population strength, we should also know what more facilities the villagers are having in village Palampur, so that we can have the conclusion of the main production activities and the transportation activities, and what are the main activities which is being done for the development of the village. Okay, so here we can have a look of different facilities what the villagers are got in the village Palampur. Okay, there they are having the electricity power connections in some areas, or you can say in some houses. Not all houses are supplied with the electricity connections. Okay, so electricity connections are mostly used for the tube wells in the fields and is used for different types of small businesses done by the villagers in that village. Along with these electricity power connections, the villagers are having facilities of 2 primary schools and 1 high schools. Even if they are having the primary health center in the village which is run by the government, and a private dispensary where the sick peoples are mostly treated. Okay, from this we are having a look of village Palampur, which is fairly well connected with the systems of roads, transport, electricity, irrigation, schools and health centers, isn't it? तो अब तक आप लोगों को ये पता चल गया कि पालमपुर विलेज में क्या क्या फैसिलिटीज मिले हुए हैं पालमपुर के विलेजर्स को. ओके, तो अब हम लोग को ये जानना है कि ऑथर ने जो इमेजिनरी विलेज लिया है पालमपुर, उसमें सारे फैसिलिटीज़ को प्रोवाइड करने का जो व्यू हम लोग को दिखाया है, उसकी ज़रूरत क्या है प्रोडक्शन एक्टिविटीज़ पे, है ना. सो इन विलेजेस अक्रॉस इंडिया फार्मिंग इज द मेन प्रोडक्शन एक्टिविटी, इजंट इट. The production activities referred to as non-farm activities includes the small manufacturing, transport, shopkeeping, etc. Isn't it? So here the author wants to tell us that we should have a village which is having all the facilities, then only we can able to improve our production activities. Okay. So students, from this above discussion, we already able to know about the village Palampur and what are the major activities or minor activities are being done by the villagers in the village Palampur. Okay, how the Palampur is having fairly well connected systems of roads, how they are doing their transportation activities, what electricity connections they are having in their village, how they are doing their irrigations, and what type of schools they are having with for the facilities of education in their village, and what type of health centers are also having for the facilities of sick peoples in the villages. Okay, so in this part we will conclude here.